Hey guys, it's me Chero, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Recon Expert in Fortnite Battle Royale. And this does replace the Rose Team Leader, so you do need to have saved the world. But without further ado, let's get in. So first you want to open your pack chunk 1 Windows client.pack. It is in your Fortnite folder. And you want to download this file into the description below, and it will be in the Discord server and the downloads. So okay, so let's do this. So you want to take this, you want to copy only the hex code right here. Control C that, or you can just go in here and press copy, and then press Control F. Make sure this is hex value, and then make sure this is all, and then paste this in, and then press OK, and then let it search. And then it should come up with something. And then you have to replace all these, by the way. And now we're going to replace this. Look at that. This. I should be like right below or above this one. Oh, no, never mind. That's only for emotes. Like I said, I got this from another Discord user, so I normally don't do this often. I normally just do this for reasons. So you do that again, replace. Right here. This one goes into 0 because it's not going to be there anymore. This, Control F, Control V. This changes the skin. And this just changes the cap. Sorry about that, the garbage truck is just going crazy. That, and then once that is done, you should have the Recon Expert. You want to press save right here, and it says create a backup, cancel that, and press save again. You can close this, and then you can open Fortnite, and you should have the Recon Expert. So if you guys enjoyed, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe if you want more videos similar to this one. See ya.